In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Google Slides. We'll use the built-in audio feature with a file stored in Google Drive because it's the simplest and most reliable way to get clean playback inside your presentation. You can add music via other sources like YouTube or streaming links, but for most situations, the Google Drive method works best and keeps your setup straightforward. First, get your music into Google Drive. Open Google Drive, choose New, then File Upload, and select your audio file. MP3 and WAV are the ideal formats here, and MP3s typically offer the best balance of quality and compatibility. Once the upload finishes, the file lives in your drive and is ready for slides. Keeping the audio in Drive is important because Google Slides is designed to reference and play files directly from there. Next, insert the music into your slides. Open your presentation in Google Slides and go to the exact slide where you want the music to begin. From the top menu, choose Insert, then Audio. You'll see your uploaded file listed. Select it and confirm. An audio icon will appear on your slide to indicate that the file is attached and ready to play during your presentation. Now, set your playback options. Click the audio icon to select it, then open Format Options on the right. Under audio playback, you have control over how the music behaves. You can set it to play on click, so it starts when you trigger it during your talk. Or select play automatically to have it start the moment that slide appears. You can also loop the audio if you want it to repeat, and you can hide the icon while presenting for a cleaner look on screen. If you want the music to start automatically, click the audio icon, open Format Options, and under audio playback, choose Start Playing. Then automatically. That's all you need for hands-free music when the slide shows up. You can decide whether the music should stop when you move to the next slide. In the same panel, enable stop on slide change if you want it to end as you advance. Leaving that off allows the audio to continue, though Google Slides does have limited control over audio that spans multiple slides. A practical workaround many users recommend is placing the audio on your first slide if you want it to continue longer. A few helpful tips before you present. Keep background music at a low level so it supports, not competes with, your voice. Use royalty-free tracks for public or shared presentations. MP3 files usually work best, and if you prefer a minimalist look, hide the audio icon while presenting.